There you guys are. Where did you go, guys? Come on.
Hi. Hi. Where should I start? Where I left, I guess. No. It's been 2 weeks since that video. 2 weeks. And things have changed, things have happened, and I bought new things. And there are more new things coming. Now basically what's happening on, let me just show you. No point of wasting on this tired face. Bam! Yeah, a little bit of wiring, doesn't matter anymore. Now, do you see that gap? That huge gap there. Do you see the huge gap? Yeah, there's a gap. So you can see half of the engine is missing. Oh, somebody took the exhaust off. Who took all of the exhaust off? Okay. Oh, hi Shutter. What do you want to say to people? Now, we start on the inside. Something's missing, isn't it? Hello. Ooh, what's underneath there? Nothing. Okay, you can sit here. So, the gearbox is out. I did ask a friend to come to help me to lift out this gearbox, but it's actually not that heavy. It's not that heavy. Now, where do we start? With the most important one, clutch. That's the gearbox, you know it. And here we have clutch. This isn't part of clutch. Here we have clutch. That's the old, that's the new. This is dual mass flywheel. See, I can spin the top a little bit before all the flywheel pins. So you can see, that's what's going on. This is a solid, one piece solid flywheel. Now this is the clutch what was in there. And if you see all along here and how the rivets been going, and there's a huge groove. On the back it's not that bad. At the front, at the freaking front, there's a huge groove. That's what's been catching when I revved up to 4,000. You can see in the disc. That's a really deep groove. This, you couldn't refinish this. You could not refinish this. This is trash. This is the new plate. Look how deep, how much material is there. Till you get to the rivets. Loads. That's the new pressure plate. Look at that surface. It's smooth, it's nice. This one is oh boop, oh boop. Now this is a throwout bearing. See, brand new even. Look at this one. It spins freely and smooth. There is no play, there is nothing. This one. Wait. This one doesn't spin. There you go. There you go. See how crunchy it's spinning. Spinning crunchy. It's not spinning nice like this. Look, I can put just a little pressure. Just a little bit of pressure. And we down the roses, bucket full of. And this one I'll do the same. That's all that's happening. So this all will go in the car, but not yet. There is another big problem. These are the bolts that bolt down the transmission to the engine. Order these new bolts. You need to order new bolts of these. You cannot reuse these heads. They do get fucked. Literally fucked. This is just for the exhaust manifold that holds on the head. So the bolts are fucked. Now let's go to the gearbox. Oh, where are you going? Come back here. Now, this is a car's gearbox. Here, this is always in the car. And you change the gears like this. So this always moves and changes the gear. This is the input shaft that spins everything. And this connected to the rear. Now, this is where the clutch slave goes. Now, for the inside bit, this is where the problems start. here are big grooves. I don't know if it's good or not good. So I'm checking on information if it's good or not good. See, you can see it's polished up here and it's a bit dented. And I think this is fucked because I bet you can hear it. That it's moving and spinning. And here is the pin. I bet you're asking, where is the fucking pin? Exactly. Now this is the pin. As you can see, it's broken off. So what broke on this gearbox is the pin, and then the pin pushed the, where is it? The throw out. Here goes the bearing in the middle. It was broken off here, so it was always a little bit engaged. Basically this is completely fine, but this what's sitting right here was fucked, and the rest is stuck in there. Now I will need a new transmission mount. As you can see, this one is clearly snapped in half, so I ordered 2 of them. And I forgot the name of this guy. As you can see, this one is actually fucked. Literally fucked. This is at the back of the gearbox. It's sitting right here. That's the C-trap. I'm stuck here. I will undo these bolts and check inside what's going on inside. Basically what's underneath the car. If we slide underneath this beautiful car. Close, pretty close. Close and now rear main seal. I will change the rear main seal. As I'm here, I will do it right away. Otherwise, if it leaks after like 3 months, that's a pain in the ass to get, because you will need to remove all of this. I know it's upside down. From the gear, from the rear to here. That sucks. So that's what's the situation with my BMW. Things are fucked, obviously, because it haven't been done 17 years, remember? 17. And everything else for the car is right here. Don't mind these. These are something else. All of this is just from underneath the car. That's not a part. And all of this, you can see, here is the exhaust manifold. I ordered a new gasket because this one, as you can see, was a bit leaky. So it's pretty fucked. This is how it should look, see, on the side, and this is how it looks. So it was leaking. I have here some more exhaust shields, and that is a great pain. And now, whoop. Well, I hope this was informative. Was it? Was it informative? Well, at least you know what's going on. Yeah, I'm still cardless, and I did another order from Germany, but you can buy in UK for, I will talk in my currency, 18 pounds. From Germany, I can get for 4. So 18, 4, 18, 4. Obviously, I'll better wait one week for the shipping than go there and spend 18. It's for the bushings, like for the transmission bushings. I told you it's split in half. I showed you actually even. Yeah, that one. Here in UK it costs 18. From Germany, only 4. So I can get 4 of those, which I don't actually need. I need only 2. I can buy here 1. So that's a no-brainer. And I ordered some more parts and bits. And I'll see you in the part 2. Bye!